Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming exactly which device or app contains the so-called cat kill mode and why it activates. You need model and firmware, so check settings now, write them down. Once done, ensure power is stable, a mid-update shutdown causes failures, and create a settings backup so you can restore if needed. Make sure to capture any recent logs that show triggers, because understanding why it flips on lets you target the deactivation, instead of just masking symptoms. You now move into the technical steps. Access the service or developer menu using the device-specific sequence. This is often a long press plus combo tap. Once inside, navigate to feature flags or mode toggles and find the entry for the aggressive cat kill label or its functional equivalent, toggle it off. After disabling, apply and commit changes deliberately. Don't interrupt the device while it writes settings. You're changing persistent state, so patience here prevents reactivation on reboot. Finish by rebooting the device cleanly and observing behavior across several operation cycles to confirm the mode stayed deactivated. If something breaks, restore your backup and retry with a different toggle or patch level. Only restore as a controlled rollback. If the mode reappears, inspect automation rules, schedules, or external controllers that might re-enable it. Disable those triggers. One key troubleshooting tip: check for companion apps or cloud rules that can override.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.